Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing good and staying safe at home. So I would like to thanks to Deepak for nominating me for this wonderful challenge. And as per his challenge, I have to prepare an Indian dish today that I'm going to do now. And there is one more activity which I have to do, and that I have to enact Amitabh Bachchan. I have to say his dialogue from one of his famous movie. That movie has been telecasted a lot many times in Setmax, so you can guess it. By the end of the video, you can just guess it and say whether it is right or wrong. But yeah, I have prepared a lot yesterday, so let's see how it goes. And so coming to the recipe, I have already started preparing from yesterday. So you can see my chickpeas are all soaked. So I'll start preparing. I'll prepare the other ingredients and let's get started then. Hello guys. So to continue starting our recipe, I've shown you the soaked chickpeas, which is actually I have put it for boiling. You can see that, and I have just added one potato, just for the test. And in between I'll show you the ingredients, which I'm using here. So basically you need chopped onions, tomatoes, curry leaves. You have cumin. If you have cumin powder also, you can use that. Oil, ginger garlic, turmeric, red chilies, this dhania powder, and salt. So basically we'll be using all these ingredients in our recipe, in our dish, but to make it more better, you actually segregate this. You can make 3 paste out of it. I mean, you can make paste of onions, and then you can make paste of tomatoes, and then ginger garlic in one side, and then you can use it to make it more tasty, or the gravy will be more thicker. So you can use either way. So I'm just I'm leaving it as it is. So once it will get boiled, then I'll be start cooking. कि जिस पत्थर को छेनी और हथौड़ों की मार से दर्द हो, वो कभी अच्छी मूर्त नहीं बन सकती। जिस खेत खलियान को हल चलाने से दुख हो, दर्द हो, वो कभी अच्छी फसल पैदा नहीं कर सकती। माँ बाप की डांट ये छेनी, हथौड़ी और हल के जैसे जरूर है, पर यही हमें जीवन में आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देते हैं, हमें शक्ति देते हैं। आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ, वो अपने माँ बाप के प्रेरणा की वजह से, उनकी डांट फटकार की वजह से। Hello guys, so you have seen my dish now. It's all ready, and I have prepared a coin paratha along with it. Okay. So that's it from my challenge, and yeah, from the visual perspective, it's from the movie Suryavansham. I think most of the guys guessed it correctly. Okay, and to continue with this, I will nominate Ashish for the next challenge, and as I said earlier, like he has to prepare one dessert of his choice, preferably gulab jamun or something. Okay, but with no ready-made mix. Okay, so he has to make everything else of his own, and along with some song or something. Okay, Ashish. Okay, we'll catch you later. Good luck, Ashish.